To become a building code inspector, you have to pass the Building Code Inspector examination provided by ICC, the International Code Council. InterNACHI has a free online course for InterNACHI members, and the membership fee is only $49. And it's your best bet to become a certified building inspector. Go to ICC's website at iccsafe.org and let's search for that examination. It's a national certification, code enforcement, a property maintenance and housing code inspector. That's examination 64. The references of the exam are the legal aspects of code administration, the International Residential Code, and the International Property Maintenance Code. And we'll be teaching from all of those topics. Now, when you're ready to register for the exam, simply click the button to register, which is an online proctored exam. The process is easy, the exam is not. I'm Ben Gromicko from InterNACHI. That's the International Association of Certified Home Inspectors. We have a free online course for you to become a certified building inspector.